Hey everybody, welcome back to Joe's Cards and Toys, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Funko Pop's The Child figurine, aka Baby Yoda from Star Wars Mandalorian. This is Funko Pop's figurine of the child, and I'm going to do the unboxing. And in the box it looks really cool, the coloring, super neat. This is the back of the box. Picked this up on eBay. It was a little hard to find for a reasonable price, but I finally picked one up that was reasonable. So let's let this thing breathe. That's the inside of the box. Pretty cool. The Mandalorian. This just flips it up. And let's see this guy. Nice. Look at Baby Yoda, the child. It's a bobblehead, as you can see. The colors are awesome. Look, the ears, I think, are really nicely proportioned. Coloring is really nice. The detail is really cool. The eyes, of course. The signature Funko eyes. This is the back of them. Really cool, man. I'm digging it. I'm digging Baby Yoda, the child. I'm gonna let this guy hang out in the background of my videos for a little bit until I put him with the rest of my Funko Pop collection. I like them a lot. What do you guys think? It's the child, the Funko Pop release. Really cool. I'm digging it. Take care.